Everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chick here, and I miss my car. I really miss my car. Actually, my car is fine. My husband's car is in this shop. Someone had bumped his front bumper in a parking lot and didn't leave a note or anything like that, but it needs to be fixed. So while his car is in the shop, my husband and I have been carpooling, and since I have to be to work early, he drops me off, takes the car for the day, and comes back and picks me up, which means I don't have a car at lunchtime to do car chat, and I've been missing you guys. So you might remember I was working on the little birds, and I finished them. I did one in every color. Yay, they're so cute. And actually, I can't show you all of them because I've given a couple of them away. I gave away the red one to my mother-in-law for her birthday. She loves cardinals, and she turned 86. I think she turned 86 the other day. So I gave her that for her birthday. So I've got a green one and an orange one and a blue one. And, excuse me, a purple one. Oh yes, and the yellow one, the yellow birdie, flew north permanently. I won't say where, but he flew north to go live with a new friend. So, I've got 4 left. And while I've been playing with my amigurumi, I made this little elephant. And before everybody tells me that you shouldn't use buttons, you should use safety eyes, I know already. But I went to Michael's and they didn't have any safety eyes. And he's not going to a little child anyway, he's just gonna sit on the shelf. So, he's so cute. I got the pattern for him in a book. What did I do with that book? I know where it is, I'll get it, just 1 second, I'm back. Okay. So I got the pattern for the little Mr. Elephant here from this book. Vanna's Choice Critters. Getting quite a glare off of that light. Yeah, so the elephant was one of the critters. Here he is down here. I didn't make him in gray, I made him in blue. I don't know why, I just thought it would look cute in blue. So anyway, my goal is to make it through the whole book. So we'll see. We'll see if I can do it. How cute is the giraffe? The one I'm most looking forward to is the penguin. I think the penguin is just adorable. So anyway, that's my amigurumi challenge to myself. And I don't think anyone took me up on the amigurumi bird challenge. But that's okay. No problem. Do it by myself. We'll see. All right, so the other thing I've been working on is Tunisian. Now I had a small gauge Tunisian hook, and I wasn't having much fun. I wasn't having much fun. My material that I was creating was so thick and stiff, and then I found out you need to use a big hook. Use a big hook and your fabric will be a lot looser when you're using a 4-weight yarn. And now if I were using a sock weight yarn or maybe even a sport weight yarn, the hook that I had would probably have yielded, you know, a much drapier fabric. But because I like to use 4-weight yarn, I need to use a big old hook. So this is a 12mm, 13-inch long Tunisian crochet hook. And I am using it with, what is this yarn? What is this yarn? Red Heart Roll With It tweed. And the colorway I'm using is vintage. Yeah, just vintage. And you can see it's almost all gone. I had one cake of this left. I had used a few cakes of this to make granny squares, and I made a granny square blanket for baby with this. But I'm just using this to make a scarf. I think it's gonna be a scarf. Basically, I was just learning how to do Tunisian lace. So I will scroll it up so you can see. It's pretty, and it's very drapey, and it's got these pretty eyelets that make it, you know, that lacy look. And I got this, it's not really a pattern, but it's this stitch technique from Ben over at this Tunisian Crochet Life, or that Tunisian Crochet Life. He just changed the name of his channel. So I'll put it down here at the bottom so you can see. But I wanted to finish it in time for Yarn Hookers this week because we have a special guest. And our special guest is Ben from that Tunisian Crochet Life channel. So yeah, I wanted to have my scarf done by then. Ooh, let's see. I don't know. It's going to be a shorter scarf, but it's one that you could use with a scarf pin or a shawl pin. We'll see. Sit up maybe a little bit so you can see the colors. The colors are beautiful. I do love them. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. It's almost done. I don't have too much further to go. And it does go really fast when you use the big old hook. There are bigger hooks. I had to get that one on Amazon because you can't find the great big ones in the store. It's hard to find any kind of Tunisian hooks in the store, really. My other Tunisian hooks that I have that are smaller, I did buy at local yarn stores. I don't see them really in big box stores. So there we go. Snap up the Emmy bag. The Emmy bag's got a new project in it. Okay, so another announcement that I have, very exciting, is I'm going to have a special guest on Saturday, this coming Saturday, just a couple days. And it's going to be a little bit crochet related. I'm going to be talking to another crocheter, and she also has a YouTube channel, and her name is Fun with Olivia. That's the name of her channel. Fun_with_Olivia. And I love her. I love her energy. I love her excitement when she looks at crochet and knit and yarn stuff. But she has another love, and that is for makeup. She's a girly girl, and she loves her some makeup. And she's going to teach us a little bit about makeup because her channel used to be only about makeup. She only talked about, you know, different kinds of makeup and new stuff on the market and techniques and things like that. And though I like to be girly and I like girly things, I'm also always in a hurry. I'm always just rushing through my face routine, which is why you see lots of dark circles under my eyes and, you know, probably wrinkles that maybe could be hidden a little bit better or something like that. But yeah, I wanted to talk to Olivia to see if she had some tips for me and also maybe some tips for you, because I know my demographic and we're all the 40s and ups for the most part. Not all of you guys are above 40, but most of you are. And of course it would be beneficial for anybody under 40 as well that's interested. So yeah, I hope you'll join me on Saturday. So that's going to be at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's 10 a.m. Pacific Time. And the only reason I know this is because Olivia's on the West Coast. So we had to figure out what our time zones were. So I am actually going to meet with her tomorrow on my lunch break, and we're going to talk about Saturday and how much fun we're going to have. So it's just going to be an hour, not much more than that, and it's going to be live. I've already got the link up, and I'll put a link at the end of this video as well. well, I don't know if I can. If YouTube will let me, I will. Let's put it that way. But it will definitely be in the description box below if I can't put it at the end of the video. So we'll see. I'm very excited. Okay, I think that's everything. I've been crazy busy at work. Absolutely insane busy at work. We need another secretary. There's only one of me in the office. We used to have two. Actually, we used to have 3 secretaries, and then we were down to 2. And now she's retired as well. So the other 2 have retired, and now it's just down to me, and we're having a hard time filling the position. So yeah, it's been crazy busy. So I used to say I'm going to work, and now I say I'm going to my battle station. Oh goodness. But I will not complain. I have a good job, I have a good boss, and steady work. So that's a blessing. It truly is a blessing. So I think that's all I've got to share with you guys. I hope you'll join us on Saturday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Yarn Hookers. And I hope you join me and Olivia at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Whippy Chicks Live. So yeah, Saturday's gonna be a busy day. All right, guys, have a great day. I'm gonna try to throw some nature photos in the end of this video because spring has sprung and I am seeing the beauty in every day. Man, it's everywhere. Oh, I wish I could have captured the sunrise yesterday. It was gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I couldn't get my camera quick enough. Okay, take care, everybody. Bye-bye.